Hello and welcome to another SatNav Systems video. Adam here, and I am going to present you original Volkswagen reversing camera that we completed this upgrade on this Volkswagen T-Roc. This is the A11 chassis car, and just want to show you the operation. So I select the reverse gear, and it pops out. This is the standard camera, we call them. So it has the fixed guidelines, they do not move. So if I move the steering wheel, you see they're staying in line, so they guide you, but they're not moving with the steering wheel. As you can see, I'm reversing now, so I can get closer to the objects behind me, and allows us to reverse the car into directly into the place we want to. It's very good quality, so yeah, and works in conjunction with the sensors. This car came with the sensors already, so you can see it's got the optical sensors here, so fully works with that. All done to the factory specification with a 3 years warranty. If you'd like more information, just get in touch with us. Best way is to use our contact page on our website, or you can email us directly, info@satnavsystems.com. Thank you.